Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to unbox my February 2020 Glam Bag Plus. So the Glam Bag Plus is one of 3 different tiers for Ipsy membership. This one costs about $25 a month and has 5 full-size items. So let's see what's inside. So when you open the box, they've got this nice printed message. First, there's a little product card. This one explains the theme for February, which is Feel the Love. First, we have the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Palette. This looks like a gorgeous palette with a lot of beautiful cool tones. Since there are only 6 shades in this palette, I'm going to do some quick swatches. Just to give you an idea, I swatched these all a few times with my fingers. It's a beautiful matte palette with a lot of nice cool tone shades. I do like that there's a bit of warmth with that shade Toasty, which is the brown in the middle. I love how it's an entirely matte palette because you don't always see that. I'm really looking forward to playing around with these colors and seeing what kind of looks I can create. If you're interested in seeing a tutorial, please let me know in the comments so I can be sure to do it soon. This originally was sold in a set with a lipstick and a lip gloss for around $29. It looks like it's pretty much sold out, so I was excited to see it in my Ipsy box. Next we have a brush set from a brand called Laruce. This is actually the one item that I picked out. This is interesting, it's in kind of a nice paper folder, and then all the brushes are wrapped in plastic. So this brush set contains 5 different brushes. They are vegan and cruelty-free, so synthetic fibers. They are all conveniently labeled with what they're supposed to do as well. So first we have LR334, which is the angle contour. Next we have the LR335, which is a flat foundation brush. Then we have the LR222, which they call a kabuki brush. It actually looks like a small kind of densely packed kabuki. It's not like a traditional fluffy face kabuki. And from top to bottom here we have the LR005, which is tapered blending, and LR110, which is a shadow brush. These seem like really nice, sturdy brushes. I especially am excited about this angle contour brush. It seems like a really nice, densely packed brush that I'll probably use for like blush or bronzer. These also seem to be cut really nicely as well. Like if you look at the angle of the way the bristles are cut, it seems to have a lot of care put into it. I like these handles as well. They have a nice sort of textured grip and it's a beautiful matte black finish. I'm really excited to start using these. I don't think I would pay $154 for these just to test them out, but I'm really glad I have the opportunity to test them through this Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy lets you choose one product each month. When it came time for me to choose a product, I had a really hard time choosing between this brush set and this sweater weather palette. Ultimately, I chose the brush set because it was just so expensive. It's $154 and that's a lot of money to invest just to try something, whereas the sweater weather palette looked like it might be floating around somewhere online for around $20 or $30. I was so happy though that even though I chose this brush set, the people at Ipsy also figured out that I wanted this eyeshadow palette and put it in the box. I'm starting to think that they're figuring out my preferences pretty well, especially because I keep saying how much I like eyeshadow palettes. This hand curation in each box is actually something I really appreciate with Ipsy, and I think it sets it apart from a lot of other subscription programs. If you've been enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Next we have the Cosmetic Bag for this month. It's a beautiful kind of pearly pink sheen on the outside. I think it's sort of a synthetic leather material. And on the inside, it's this beautiful kind of cranberry satin. It's a nice size. It's more of an envelope pouch, and I think it'll hold a lot of cosmetics. Next we have the Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleep Mask. I'm so excited to see on the box that they say this is vegan, cruelty-free, and 98% natural. Ipsy doesn't market itself as cruelty-free the way a box like Petitvoir does, but they do still have a lot of cruelty-free products, which I really appreciate. I think they started to figure out that I like really natural things as well, so I'm really happy to see things like this in my box. So they call this a perfect hydrating overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin. It's basically supposed to smooth and brighten your skin, so let's check it out. It looks like more of a lotion or cream. The scent isn't overpowering or anything, it's just kind of a nice, pleasant, fruity scent. I can already feel this working on my hand. It's a nice kind of hydrating sensation. I love how natural this is and how it doesn't have a strong fragrance. I think this is definitely something that I will try as an overnight mask. Next we have a lipstick. I just want to show you the packaging because it's really beautiful. This is the Belle in Argent Tour Matte in the shade 3 Plays. I was really excited when I looked up this company. They're cruelty-free, vegan, and try to have non-toxic ingredients. I also can't get over just how cool this lipstick case is. Look at that gorgeous kind of geometric shape. Isn't that amazing? Here's how it looks in the bullet. I think this is just so pretty. I love this shimmery kind of geometric design. This shade is called 3 Plays and they describe it as the taupe nude of your dreams. I think it'll work with this eye look, so I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I like this shade because it isn't entirely a brown nude. It kind of has a bit of pink in it. It's really pretty. It's kind of a soft, creamy formula. It doesn't feel dry at all, but it just has that really nice kind of soft matte look. I really like this formula. I'm so happy to see that it's clean and non-toxic and they paid a lot of attention to the ingredients. But I think what really makes this a standout product to me is just how amazing the package design is. Everything from those little pluses on the tube for the bullet to the way this whole silver geometric pattern catches the light. It's just so thoughtfully designed. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to discover this brand. My ideal products are cruelty-free, vegan, have non-toxic ingredients, and have beautiful packaging, and I feel like this is a home run for me. Right now, it seems like this company is primarily focused on lip products, but I'll definitely be looking into their other products like the cream matte lipstick and lip gloss. Last but not least, we have the Il Makiage ink liner. This one is in the shade black, and it looks like a nice liquid eyeliner. Here's how it looks when I draw it out. Wow, that is really bold and beautiful. It's definitely like an intense black, so it would be great especially for those glam night out looks. There's a really nice tip on this. It's a bit of a longer felt tip. I was really happy to see that this product is cruelty-free. Unfortunately, I looked at the ingredients list and it does contain parabens, so I don't know if I can recommend it. I will probably test this one out. I really do like the color and performance, but I hope they reformulate to remove the parabens. So that is it for this month's Glam Bag Plus. Next, I have a few add-on items that I wanted to show you as well. If you're not familiar with it, Ipsy has an add-on program. Each month they show you what you get in your box, and you can also add extra items. Usually they're things that might be in a different variation of the box or sometimes from previous months. Typically it costs about $12 for a full-size item or $3 for a deluxe sample. I had already ordered 5 add-ons for my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I've reviewed those in a separate video which I'll link down below. With this box I did get 3 more deluxe samples. This is one of the advantages of having multiple boxes. You can actually buy up to 5 add-ons per box. I didn't get any full-size items with this one. I just got 3 trial sizes, which cost $3 a piece. So the first 2 are blushes from the Balm. These are the Girl Powder Auto Balm blushes. I got them in the shades Bourbon Street and Houston Street. As you can see, Bourbon Street is a beautiful matte mauve, and Houston Street is a lovely matte peach. So these blushes normally come in a pack of 4 that costs about $26, so I was really happy to be able to try them for $3 a piece through Ipsy. The last item I got is also from the Balm. This is a Pedal to the Metal cream eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Turbo. It has a nice creamy silky feel, and it's a beautiful sort of champagne or light bronze shade. I already have a Pedal to the Metal palette, and I actually checked, but it didn't include this Turbo shade. When I saw this on the Ipsy website, it just seemed like such a beautiful kind of creamy color. I really love cream eyeshadows because they're really easy to throw on, especially when you're doing your makeup in a hurry. So I thought this was definitely a steal for only $3, especially because it's a shade that I can kind of wear every day with just a light makeup look. So that's it for the box and the add-ons. I already have an Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate video, which I'll link down below. As soon as my Ipsy Glam Bag comes, I'll also review that and link that down below as well. I also have a tutorial for this makeup look, which I'll link in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment and let me know what your favorite makeup product is that you're using this month. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.